It's Frank with Stonelink Property Manager. We're here at 243 Smithfield Road, Unit 9, North Providence, Rhode Island. Second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Heat and hot water included. Fully renovated. Starting our video tour when you walk in. Got your dining and living room area here. Brand new flooring throughout. High ceilings. Brand new gas stove. Undermount sink. Plenty of cabinet and countertop space. Stainless steel refrigerator. Coat closet and pantry closet there. Make our way down the hallway to my right. Bathroom with a shower tub and brand new vanity. To my left, you got the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. Big enough for a queen set. And you got the master bedroom here. Big enough for a king set. Double closets. Got your own private balcony off the bedroom overlooking the parking. I'd like to apply for 243 Smithfield Road, Unit 9, North Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.